according to the theme of the passage in which it appears regarding Wolverine as virtually means. Wolverine is an exceptional hand-to-hand combatant, having mastered virtually every fighting style on Earth. He is also a trained expert in multiple types of weapons, vehicles, computer systems, explosives, and assassination techniques. As he is trained and mastered, so he is not having mastered artificially, rather he has gained naturally by dint of sheer and hard works. Choice A, artificially means artificially, is so incorrect. Nothing is described about anything solely with computer or any other network which provides him online training means by any means, where any simulation is generated as machine to run in the respective line. Later, we can see that he is also a trained expert in multiple types of weapons, vehicles, computer system, explosives, and assassination techniques. So choice C and choice E are irrelevant to fit as correct answer, and so they are eliminated. Essentially, as choice D may show a little relevancy, but having mastered virtually, that is mastered nearly all or almost every fighting style on earth, is more relevant and fit to make sense with respect to the passage as choice B than choice D, because he started to be trained, all of which is essential for him, and here the intensity of his knowledge is emphasized and he knows nearly all the techniques. So the correct answer is choice B.